Hi everyone, my name is Marcella Dominguez and I welcome you back to my channel where I teach you everything you need to know about trademark registrations, trademark renewals, and trademark office actions. Some very popular book series include Harry Potter, The Chronicles of Narnia, Lord of the Rings. So if you are an author and you are already thinking about how you're going to protect your book title, then you need to be thinking about a series of works that you are going to create. Because in order to register the title of your book, you are going to have a series. This also goes for other creative works like audio recordings, CD recordings, any type of visual recordings. So I want to make sure that it is clear and I have not left a single doubt in your mind that in order for you to be able to protect your book title, that you need it to be a series. I want authors out there to know this rule before they come to an attorney expecting that single creative work to be protected. It will save you a lot of headaches and probably most of all, it will save you a lot of emotional distress. People come to attorneys expecting that they're going to be able to protect their material off the bat. And trust me, I want to do my hardest to be able to do that for you. But in order to provide you the best service, I also want to make sure that you are aware of the rules and the laws, the regulations that are currently in place and that dictate what we can do for you. Because we can only do for you as much as the law allows. So if the law says it has to be a collective series, then that's all that we can do and we cannot override that law. If you're an author and you're already thinking ahead about what you're going to do to protect your creative works, then please keep in mind that you should have a series established, or you should be thinking about creating a series. So if that helps, then please give me a thumbs up below. Subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified of when I release important information that's in this video that's going to help you in your journey to becoming a best-selling author.